Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use the Tagalog script or language in Asana, so let's get right into it. Now, the wonderful thing about Asana, of course, Asana is a project or task management system, which you can set up to use however you want, very similar to Jira by Atlassian, or maybe even Trello or some other project management systems. And the good thing about it is I'm pretty sure it supports all scripts, or even most scripts that are present in our world today. So all you have to do is pretty much just go to the project that you want, and you can just click add tasks or do whatever you want, and you can just enter names and well, pretty much anything that takes text output. It'll register it as ASCII characters, or I'm pretty sure it might even register it as another script, which does allow Tagalog to be used. So you can just write any task or any sort of text, comment, tag in Tagalog, and it should be pretty well, easy. And yeah, that is pretty much it. There isn't really anything more to say and do about this. It is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.